Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike on YouTube. All right, so I'm showing you troubleshooting on an AC car, AC compressor or AC system on any one of your cars. I'm doing a 2006 PT Cruiser. There's the bumper. There's the tree stump right over there. They ripped it out. All right, let's get down to business, guys. All right, so I put my Freon. The Freon is perfect because what I do is I go over here. It says it. You see it, 1.25 pounds, right? So there's 16 ounces in a pound. So you got to do your little calculating stuff to see how much Freon your car takes. Every car is different. Okay, so let's get down to business. There's the AC compressor. You see it? Oh, sorry about that. You see that shiny little thing right there? That's the high part. That's where I connect this. All right, but let's say that you don't have the gauge. You just got the can. You just went to the store and you got the can with the little wire plug, the little gauge thing on it. And you put it and everything, but your AC compressor, you see? This is the AC compressor right there. You see it? Right there. This is your clutch. This, it's what sends electricity for when you turn it on. And this right here locks in. It's like a magnet. And then it starts turning. You see, I'm not turning all the way. I don't want to mess with it. It starts turning because it engages this. This part always turns because that's what the bell is connected. You see the bell? Right there, guys. This is the bell. So if this middle part is not turning, then there's two things. Your AC compressor is burned out, or if your car has a relay that this one doesn't, then your high pressure switch right there. You see it is broken. So now, before you go spending a ton of money and losing hair, this is what you're going to do. Okay, I want you to take this wire and you're going to put it, you're going to jump it in here. We're going to stick this end of the wire and the other hole right there. So now it's jump. So now you turn it on. If your AC compressor turns on and these pipes over here are cold and your AC is blowing cold, then your high pressure switch, see this thing right here? It's broken. Okay, when you are putting it on, listen very carefully because this is important. This is a brand new one. I don't know who did this one. I didn't. I bought the car at auction. Okay, let me tell you what they did. Let me get that wire out of there. Oh, now I dropped the plug back there. Okay, when they were putting it on, look, you're going to see the T marks right here. This is the plastic part and this is the metal part. But look, there's a scratch right here in the middle, and then right here, T marks with rust, like, wow. So what happened was they broke the inside of the sensor when they were putting it on, because you got to be careful when you're putting these on. Don't grab this part, don't grab the metal, stick to your plastic, but be very careful when you are putting it on because they will go bad. So that's what happened over here. When they put it on, they're like, oh, the AC is still not working because they broke the switch. That was the only thing that was wrong with this AC system. Because if not, when I jumped it, putting a wire from here to the other hole right here, and these two right here, the AC compressor would have not kicked on. It's amazing. So, yeah, guys, this is the way it goes. I'm just putting that right there until I get a new switch. But yeah, this is how you do it. I mean, it's very easy. This one goes in, like, well, if you don't have the gauge. If you have the gauge, this one goes in your high port, down there. And then the blue one right here goes to your low port right there. Make sure that you have this, you turn it and you close it. Make sure that that's turned and closed. Make sure everything is closes that way. Make sure everything is closed. I don't even know why that thing is holding pressure. It's not even hooked up to nothing. Probably that can right there still has some. So yeah, that's it. The AC system is fixed. So hopefully that will fix your problem and it's not your AC compressor, because man, I know it's bad. But another thing, one more thing. After you check your switch, let's say you replace the switch, still having the same problem, let's go and check the relay. So let's not replace the switch yet. Let's go back 1 second. Let's not replace the switch. If your car, this one doesn't have it, 2006 and 7 PT Cruisers don't have relays. This is the TIPM, but fuse box and computer for the transmission. I don't want to even open it. I'm so terrified of this car already. Hey, come on, we've been around for a long time. You guys know it. So I've been working on it. You see, there's no relay. So when it goes back, you better have $800 to $1,200 for a new one, because that's how much they cost. But I got that one in the junkyard from a car that was total, and it works. Make sure it's not water sealed, so make sure your lid is put right. But you check the fuse in there, okay, for your AC. Nothing, man, let me tell you something. 9 out of 10, it's just that switch right there, okay? It's just a switch. But if you jump the wire, if you jump it and it turns on, then if your car has a relay, your AC relay or your fuse is going to be perfect. Because if not, it would have not turned on. So check your relay, check your fuse. They're all good. Just get your little piece of wire. Just jump it. It turns on, bam, bam. There's your problem. Save a ton of money. It's that easy. Anybody can do it. All right, this is Michael. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.